So there's a way the human mind works, right? When you hear an information, when a human being hears an information, you either identify with it or you just begin to refrain from it naturally in your mind. Practically the first 5 seconds, you're already doing this naturally, right? Humans do this. So when you hear somebody talking about something, your mind just begins to do that thing. Is it for me? Is it not for me? So when you hear YouTube, when I'm telling you about YouTube, for instance, some of you already by default feel that YouTube is not for me. You have already made that conclusion. And that's because you do not have enough information. And that's what I've come here to do. You see, that mind that tells you that YouTube is not for you is the mind that wants to keep you from earning in dollars, because everybody is a YouTube kind of person. I can tell you that for real. You just don't know how to go about this. Now, I want to show you a video about somebody that I saw implementing content creation in a very unlikely way, right? I want you to enjoy this video. I'll come back. So, as you can see, very unlikely, right? But you see that guy implementing content creation because he understands something that a lot of people really don't get right now. But the guy has started trending, and very soon now people begin to understand what he's doing. No matter what you do for livelihood, listen to this. No matter what you do for a living, be you a business person, be you a work person, be you somebody, a tailor, a mechanic, you have a handwork, be you an office person, be you a business person, no matter what you do for work, there is a way you can begin to implement content creation into that thing and begin to earn in dollars without obstructing your normal process, your normal routine, without going out of what you normally do, right? But a lot of people don't know this. They feel that you have to become someone else to be a content creator, and that's not right. So let me tell you something, right? As at last year, whatever you were getting from your business or whatever else was enough. But now it's no longer enough. It's not something to cry about. It's something to evolve around. It is an opportunity. And I know Nigerians don't really want to hear this. The current situation in the country is still an opportunity. The human mind has the infinite ability to evolve. And I'm not talking about coping with nonsense money or not earning enough and then coping with it. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about evolving your work, like helping your work grow out of. So the buying power in Nigeria, for instance, has greatly reduced. The ability to buy your product, whatever it is that you're selling, has greatly reduced. Now we need to think of a way for you to begin to earn in dollars while doing that same business, that same work that you usually do. That used to be enough last year, but it's no longer enough. I want to tell you, stop complaining about the situation in Nigeria. Stop complaining about it. Go outside your house and still see that there are a number of people who are still driving 20 million car economy. People are still thriving in this economy, in case you don't know. So the earlier you started, facing the truth, thinking of how to evolve with what is happening, the earlier you started seeing it as an opportunity for yourself, the better for you and your family and your children. I'm telling you, the children do not deserve to live a lower life just because of the economic condition. You can evolve. You can begin to earn in dollars from that same business, from that same thing that you're doing. You're an office person. You stay there morning till evening. You're not doing anything, or you're doing some things, but sometimes you have some time. For instance, I just came here, right? I just got to my office. I work somewhere, right? And I just got here and I'm doing this. And I know a lot of you will not like the way I'm presenting, but I know there's still one or two people that will like what I'm saying. And I'm just saying it. I don't even care whether you like it or not. I just know that there's somebody out there that needs to hear that they can implement YouTube into what they already are doing. And that's why we are organizing this 14-day challenge. In this 40-day challenge, I'm going to go into your processes, your life routines, like the things that you do in your life that make you already see that you're not a YouTube kind of person. We're going to look for a way to put YouTube into that and make it a business. I'm telling you, if you implement on this between 6 to 1 year, you are beginning to earn in dollars. And this is something I've seen several times, right? So my name is Olamide, and people call me the viral Jedi because I'm able to take people from the point where they don't even understand what YouTubing is to the point where they're already earning in dollars. If you're interested in this, I want you to click on the link in the description. I'll see you in the house.